What if your home could perfectly balance the comforts of downsizing with luxurious spaces for cooking, entertaining, and relaxation? I'm Josh Veenstra, co-owner of Pine Creek Homes. That was exactly the case for our clients. Their priorities were clear: be close to family, downsizing while still keeping space for their passions, cooking, entertaining, and their cherished wine collection. That's why we are thrilled to share how we turned their dreams into a stunning turnkey home designed for easy living and low maintenance. Complete with 2,300 square feet of living space, a floor-to-ceiling wine cellar, and a fantastic view. Welcome to the Lakebend project. The design of this home was centered around clean, contemporary lines, with consistent materials ensuring a cohesive look and feel throughout. Our clients' desire for an open great room, incredible natural light, and a sleek design guided every decision. The great room is a highlight of this home, expressing sophistication with warm wood accents on the ceiling beams and the floors. Light walls are punctuated by dark features, creating striking contrast, enhanced by natural light from a wall of windows. The ceiling rises in the main area, adding to the airy, spacious feel. The kitchen, with its white walls and black built-in cabinetry, integrated appliances, and under-cabinet lighting, is perfect for cooking and entertaining. One of the clear standout features is the wine cellar. Positioned just off the wet bar, this space boasts unique lighting that highlights the wine bottles with its curves, creating a sophisticated focal point when you enter the home. The full-glass, floor-to-ceiling design of the wine cellar pairs beautifully with the wall of windows, allowing light to pass through, enhancing the room's ambiance. The ensuite to the main bedroom exudes a spa-like feel. Enter through the modern frosted glass barn doors with chrome finishes. A sleek curved light fixture hangs above the freestanding soaker tub, and gray industrial-like tile extends from the flooring up to the walls for a sophisticated look. Wood-faced cabinetry with white countertops create a clean contrast, with a black curved wall sconce between his and hers vanity mirrors. The sunroom features a beautiful fan and continues the theme of sleek and contemporary. The large pantry includes countertops, built-in cabinetry, and a textured backsplash, while the laundry room carries black finishes, but instead with white cabinetry. Consistent design elements carry throughout the home, including sleek black fixtures and dark accents against the light-colored walls. The front door is large and black with a long vertical handle, setting the tone for the home's contemporary aesthetic. If you'd like more information about building your own custom home and cottage, visit pinecreek.ca and book a free 20-minute new client phone consult with me.